In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a journal in Xero. If you're new to this powerful accounting platform or just looking to sharpen your skills, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll clearly understand how to record journal entries accurately and confidently, which is essential for maintaining clean and reliable financial records. So let's dive right in and take it step by step. To begin, log into your Xero account and land on your dashboard. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a small plus icon. This icon is extremely important because it acts as a shortcut for creating new transactions and entries in Xero. Go ahead and click on it. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear showing several options that you can choose from. From this list, look for the option labeled Manual Journal and click on it. This is the feature specifically designed for entering journal entries. Once selected, a new window will open where you'll be able to input all the details of your journal. This is where accuracy really matters, so take your time as we go through each part. Now let's talk about what you need to fill in. First, you'll enter the date of the transaction. Make sure this matches the actual date the event occurred, not just the date you're entering it. This helps keep your financial timeline accurate. Next, you'll move on to selecting the accounts involved in the transaction. For every journal entry, you'll typically have at least two accounts, one being debited and the other being credited. As you enter the accounts, you'll need to input the debit and credit amounts. Remember, the total debits must always equal the total credits. This is a fundamental rule in accounting, and Xero will usually notify you if things don't balance correctly. Take a moment to double-check your numbers here to avoid errors. Another important field is the reference or description section. This might seem minor, but it's actually very useful. Adding a clear and meaningful description helps you, your team, or even your accountant understand the purpose of the transaction later on. For example, you could write something like adjustment for prepaid expenses or monthly depreciation entry. These small notes can save a lot of confusion in the future. If your business requires tracking additional details, such as tax rates or tracking categories, make sure to include those as well. These fields help ensure your reports are accurate and compliant with your accounting requirements. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, take a moment to review everything carefully. Check the date, accounts, amounts, and description. It's always better to catch mistakes now rather than fixing them later. At the bottom of the journal window, you'll see two main options, Save and Post. If you're completely satisfied and ready to finalize the entry, click Post. This will officially record the journal in your accounts. However, if you're not fully ready or need to confirm some details, you can click Save instead. This allows you to come back and edit the journal later without losing your work. And that's it. You've successfully entered a journal in Xero. As you continue using this feature, you'll find it becomes quicker and more intuitive over time. Journal entries are a powerful tool for adjustments, corrections, and detailed financial tracking, so mastering this process is a big step toward better financial management. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.